Hi everyone, this is Sammy. Today I'm going to show you how to knit this very easy flower. And if you'd like to learn how to knit this headband, I'll put the link at the end of this video. So let's get started. To knit this easy flower, I'm working with worsted weight yarn and 6mm knitting needles. Cast on 78 stitches. And now you're going to knit across the row, casting off each stitch after it is worked. So knit the first stitch, knit the next stitch, pull the previous stitch over that stitch and off the needle. You're going to work all the way across the row, casting off every stitch. Like that. And this is what it will look like. Thread the longest yarn end into a needle, and you're going to pass the needle through every 13th stitch. So I'm going to count 13 stitches, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, and I'm going to pass my needle through that 13th stitch, like that. And I'll just take one extra stitch just to secure that. And I'm going to do that all the way down. So again, I'm going to count 13, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Pass that through. I'm going to bring that over and take one stitch to secure those together like that. And I'm going to do that all the way down. All the way down. Okay, I've passed through every 13th stitch and I have all these loops. So now I'm going to connect this last loop to the first one, like that, and then I can just take a few stitches to secure, like that. And I like to just kind of flatten them down a little bit like this. And then you can either spritz it with a little bit of water and just place something heavy like this on it, just to flatten those flowers so that the petals open up in the back, like that. And that's how easy it is to knit this flower. And if you like, you can sew a button or pearls in the center. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.